Statistics Essentials and Data Science. Descriptive Statistics. Zoe did so well in her last project that she was assigned to a new project. Her new team was working on a tool to compare and evaluate the data security compliance of organizations based on predetermined data sets. The problem the team faced was that the data security requirements varied across industries and would be measured accordingly. The team brainstormed and decided to come up with a solution that involved the Z-score of the organizations. Zoe wanted to learn what a Z-score is and how to calculate it. To do so, she must understand definitions of measure of central tendency and mathematical and positional averages. Measures of central tendency such as mean, median, decile, percentile, mode, and quartiles. Definition of measures of dispersion, range, quartile deviation and outliers, mean absolute deviation, standard deviation, and variance. The Z-score, the coefficient of variation and its application, and measures of shape and summarizing data.